Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your phone number on the Instagram app for PC with the new update. If you've ever tried looking for it and felt a little lost in the settings, don't worry. The steps are quick, simple, and I'll walk you through them one by one. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the bottom left of your screen. You'll see the option labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can access a variety of tools and settings that Instagram has tucked away in the latest version of the app. After clicking More, the next move is to select Settings. This will open up a section where you can manage your account preferences. Inside Settings, you'll need to click on Accounts Center. This is where Instagram connects all the important details about your profile in one place. Once you're inside the Accounts Center, look for Personal Details. Clicking this option will take you deeper into your account information. Here, Instagram organizes your main identifying details, and this is the section that makes it possible to find your phone number. Next, click on Contact Info. This is the tab where your saved email addresses and phone numbers are stored. From here, you'll notice that Instagram lists the phone number linked to your account. Simply click on Phone Number, and you'll be able to view the exact number that's connected. And that's it. In just a few short steps, open the app, go to More, then Settings, head to Accounts Center, open Personal Details, tap on Contact Info, and finally click Phone Number. You can quickly see which number is tied to your Instagram account. This update has made the process more organized, but also a little different compared to before. Now you know the path to find your phone number whenever you need it. Whether it's for account recovery, security, or just to double-check your details, you'll always know where to look. Thanks for watching.